Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If you would, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, the purpose of this series is I'm promoting ClickBank products using a program called My Lead Gen Secret. What My Lead Gen Secret is, it's a they give you 100 leads every single day for $1. And the link for this is right below the video. You'll go down here, you'll join the freedommaker.com/MLGS, and then we're going to be promoting ClickBank products. And if you're just now tuning in and you haven't seen any of these other videos, if you check out this series right here, it'll take you to the very first video. You have to watch the very first video where I explain everything that's going on and I break down what I'm doing. Because right now I'm just going to do it. I'm done explaining. I've already explained it. So now I'm just working. You all are just going to watch me do what I do. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to check my results. Also, if you're interested, I have a high ticket. This is what I mainly promote. I don't really use ClickBank. I'm just trying it out. I'm doing a case study. I've seen a case study done before. Plus, there's a lot of people that can't afford the high ticket one. So I just wanted to show them how to promote ClickBank products because ClickBank is free. So enough of that. I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to check to see if we got any sales yesterday. I'm going to sign into my ClickBank. Ooh, no sales. No, I'm kidding. All right, I didn't get a sale yesterday, so I'm going to click on my account nickname right there, and I'm going to close out this other tab because I don't need it. As you can see, I got a sale last week, one sale this week so far. I'm going to come up here at the top, and I'm going to click on reporting. The hops are kicking in. 2726. $0. 2726 hops. All right, we're approaching that 3,000 mark. I like to get a sale before every 1,000 hops. So hopefully we'll get another sale before we get to 3,000. All right, I'm going to check my tracking ID. I just want to see how my two accounts are doing. This first account is killing it. 2,298 hops. The second account, 425 hops. Initial order form impressions. All right. All right, so now I'm going to click up here on Marketplace because I want to go get the product that we're going to promote. So I'm going to click on Marketplace up here at the top in this little blue banner. Now the leads that we get from My Lead Gen Secret, they are all leads of people trying to make money online. So the category that we're going to choose is e-business and e-marketing. It will not work for any other category. So just keep that in mind. E-business and e-marketing. So we're going to click on that. Normally, instead of ranking them by rank or sorting them by rank, we will sort them by gravity. This is the one we've been promoting. I got one more day. I got 1 day left of emails to send, so this is going to be the last day of promoting this product. So I'm going to come down here to where it says affiliate page, and I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. Here, I'm going to come down to where it says email swipes. This is where they have their pre-written emails for us. And see, I've already done 1 through 9. And so today we're on day number 10. So I'm going to send them email number 10. So now I'm going to log into my Lead Gen Secret. I'm going to come over here and click on mailing system. I'm going to select all of my leads. And by the way, I forgot to explain. I am using 2 accounts to do this. So that's why you see 200 leads right here. I signed up December 15th and I got 100 leads. And then whenever I signed up my other account, I started getting 200 leads every single day because I signed up my other account using my affiliate link right here. So whenever you sign up your other account, you want to copy this right here. Then come over here, paste it, and then sign up. Click on use my secret now, and then you'll sign up normally, fill out all the information. And you can do that with as many accounts as you want. Just remember, if you're signing up your second account, make sure you do it underneath your first one. If you're signing up your third account, make sure you do it underneath your second one. If you're signing up your fourth account, make sure you do it underneath your third one. That way, your other accounts are getting 200 leads every single day as well. And they're getting $5 from you. So you're paying yourself $5. So, all right, now back to where I was. I'm going to click on mailing system so I can send out the emails. I'm going to click select all. Now right here where it says subject, I'm going to come back to my affiliates page up here. And I'm going to copy the subject, confirm your application, and it says name. So I'm going to hit Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. And right here where it says name, I'm going to steal the code down here where it says first name, because they have full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, sign up date. We just want to take the first name. We want to call everybody by their first name. Anytime it says name, always use the first name. I'm going to paste that in right there. I'm going to erase this whole thing, all that in the email body. I'm going to come back and get this. I'm going to select everything. Now I'm going to paste that. And then for y'all, for those that have been following me, y'all know I like to do my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trick. I do that 4 times. And then I just shorten my email. So whenever I get to the word can, I know I'm going to start a new sentence. Or not a new sentence, but a new line. And I like to do all of my little editing in Notepad. So I say when I get to the word can, that word applicants will be all right, so we'll stop it. All I'm doing, I'm just shortening these lines so they're not running on forever and ever and ever. I swear I can't talk whenever I'm recording these videos. Y'all got me nervous. Boom, now that looks good. So now I'm going to copy this. I can delete that now. Delete that. And I can paste that right there. Where it says signature. That's where your name goes. And remember where it says name, we have to go up, get the code for the first name. Then we would copy that and paste it right in there. Now we're going to skim through and try to find out where we're going to post our link at. All right, where it says hit this blue line to confirm your application and know more about this job. So now we're going to highlight that little sentence right there. Now we're going to come up here to our ClickBank page where it says marketplace, and where it says promote, we're going to click on that. Make sure your nickname is right there because that's the way you're going to get paid. Tracking ID, you do not need a tracking ID. I just like to use the tracking ID just to see which account it's coming from. So I like to use MLGS. That stands for My Lead Gen Secret. That is optional. That is not required. Now you're going to hit create hop link. If you want to track something, you can write whatever you want in that box. It don't have to be MLGS. But once you click on create hop link, be sure to copy your affiliate link. That is the link that when people click on and actually buy, then you get paid. So we're going to sneak it inside of this email address. We got this little sentence highlighted right here. So now we're going to click on this link button right here. I'm going to hit Control V and paste our link. And as you can see, it says MLGS at the end. You have an internet connection? Okay. Then we're going to click perfect timing. Make sure that box is checked. And I always like to preview my email just to make sure the that the link works properly. I see a typo somewhere in there. Oh no, I thought that was a typo. Okay. So that's ready to send. I'm ready to send this email out. That simple. Now I can't send another email out for another 23 hours. Now, to send out the emails to the other account, we're going to right click on duplicate. I'm going to close that. We're going to right click, and then we're going to go to duplicate. All right, and then we're going to sign out of this one. Now I'm going to log in to my second account. I'm still logged into my first one over here, so I'm logging into my second account right here. Do not sign out of your first one. Now I'm going to repeat the steps. I'm going to hit mailing system, select all. When it says subject, I'm going to come back to my first one, just steal the subject from there. Now I'm going to paste it over here in this box where it says subject. Now I'm going to come down here, erase the body, come back to the first page, hit Control A to select all, and then Control C to copy. I'm going to come back to the second page and hit Control V to paste. I'm going to make sure that the box is checked for perfect timing. And if you double click this blue line, it'll open up your URL box. I like to use MLGS2 for my second account. So I like to put the number 2 back there. Then I'll click OK. And then I will send my email. That is it. So that's how easy it is to send emails and use the email swipes that ClickBank gives you. So we're going to check our results tomorrow. Hopefully I can get another sale before we hit that 3,000 hops mark. But be sure to check back in tomorrow. We'll check in on my results. And you all have a good day. Stay cool out there because I know it's starting to heat up. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.